solution which will give you greater transparency and control over your samples. It gives the user a window into their Chemtest account, allowing them to view results in real time, download interim and accredited reports, as well as scheduling their chain of custody, collections and deliveries. Once your chain of custody is created in Chemconnect, save it for your engineer to complete later using Chemgenie. Both systems sync together to deliver the most transparent and user-friendly testing solution on the market. As both tools are cloud-based, the information can be accessed 24/7 from anywhere in the world, making Chem Solutions the most accessible and powerful tool in the industry. Before the platform can be used, you must contact your account manager so that an account can be set up. This information will be sent via email to you. After you log in, you'll be presented with the dashboard. From this screen, you can access the following sections and their subsections. Web jobs, which consists of live and completed jobs, open or new chains of custodies. Schedule pickups, which consists of a new pickup form and previously created requests, either by the engineer via the Chemgenie app or Chemtest. Order containers, which provides the same views as schedule pickup screens, but for new container orders. In this video, we'll be talking about web jobs. You can find information about other options in our tutorials available on our channel and the website. Chemconnect pages are presented in a tabular view, which means you can click on any of the headers and order the data alphabetically by that column. In the top right corner, you can find a search field which you can use to search through the available data by any value. It's especially useful if you like to see only the jobs that belong to a specific project. Just type a part of the project's name and you'll see the filtered data. The main difference between live and completed jobs is that the first contains jobs before the quality control step and can show outstanding testing on the sample. You can also use live jobs to create interim reports. Select jobs using checkbox icon in the first column or drill down to individual samples by clicking on the drop-down arrow in the second column. With the selected records, click on the Export button at the bottom of the screen and select your preferred options. When exporting live jobs, you have to agree to the interim report conditions in order to generate the file. You can also press Query button, which will open a message window where you can leave instruction for the job. This will send an email directly to our customer service team with all the necessary information needed to action the query. On the right-hand side of the view, you have two buttons which will take you to the Samples or Reports page respectively. By accessing the reports, you'll be presented with a list of all documents in Excel, PDF and bespoke report formats like AGS or HWAL generated for your job. Please note that the documentation in the system is available for jobs created after April 2017. By clicking View Results button, you'll be directed to the complete list of samples on that job. Please note that highlighted samples are deviating and more information can be seen by hovering the mouse cursor on each sample. The test that is causing the sample to deviate is presented on the results page. From here, you can select individual samples and export or query them, exactly as you would with the jobs, or click View Results button on the right-hand side of the view. Click View Results button again. You'll be presented with a list of individual determinants and their associated information. This is a perfect view to check the progress of the testing, as you can order the information by the results column and see which ones are still pending. Open COC's view contains all chains of custody which have been created by anyone in the team in either Chemconnect or Chemgenie but haven't been finished and sent to us. They are open, which means anyone can edit them, inputting or amending all necessary information and finally submitting to Chemtest. Only the person who created the chain of custody can remove it from the list. To see how to edit the COC, please view our tutorial for creating new schedules. Please note that if you can see any COCs on this view, they are not submitted and we won't be able to book the job even if the samples have already arrived at our lab. So it's important to submit it before your samples will arrive, as otherwise this may cause delays in processing your schedule.